In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make Wojak story videos, the kind you see from low-budget stories and zero-budget stories. We'll break the process down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Get a Wojak character. To find a Wojak face, a quick Google search can do the trick. But if you want to customize your own character, you can use Wojak Studio. It includes presets for faces, clothing, and accessories, letting you build your own character from scratch. If you prefer a ready-made option, check out Wojakland, where you can browse and download various character templates instantly. Step 2. Get the characters' voices. You can use the website dtstool.com to get the characters' voices. On that website, Russell is the voice of Wojak and Brian is the voice of Boomer. The voice of Joey could be used for an NPC or Wojak. If you're looking for more voice options, like a deep, calm tone for Chad, you can go on to ttsmp3.com. Both sites are simple, free, and beginner-friendly. Step 3. Find the backgrounds. In Wojak videos, characters are usually placed in front of stock photo backgrounds that match the story. You can search for these images on Google, or use free sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Just search for the scene you need, whether it's a donut shop, office, street corner, or hotel lobby, and download a suitable image. Step 4. Put it all together in an editing app. Now it's time to build the video. This is the hardest part of the process and also the most time-consuming. I personally edit all of my videos on CapCut Mobile. I use my phone because I don't always have time to access my computer, but the steps I'll show you apply to any editing app you're comfortable with. CapCut is free, powerful, and user-friendly, especially for making Wojak-style animations. In the next part of the video, I'll walk you through the editing process step by step, on mobile. Let's get started. Before we move on to step 4, I need to tell you something important. If this channel hits 4,000 subscribers by May 25th, I'll host an exclusive 30-minute group chat on Discord with 5 people chosen from comments on a community post. It's your chance to ask me anything about making Wojak story videos, which could include editing, scripts, pacing, or channel growth. But here's the thing. I run multiple YouTube channels, and I can only keep investing time here if this channel really grows. If this channel doesn't grow fast enough, there won't be more tutorials, no breakdowns, no deep dives, no next steps. So if you've gotten value from this so far and want more, subscribe now. Your support is the only reason this continues. All it takes is clicking a button for free. After you download CapCut Mobile and open it, press the big blue button that says, New Project. It will bring you to your camera roll. Press Photos next. After you arrive at your photos, select the stock photo that you will use as your first background for the video and open it in the CapCut project. Next, at the bottom of your screen, press the icon titled Overlay, then Add Overlay. Look through your photo library for the Wojak character you want to add in, tap on it, and add it in the scene. To make the Wojak character smaller after you add it in, select it, then use your 2 fingers and pull inwards to make it smaller. Use 1 finger to drag it anywhere you'd like. Next, press Overlay at the bottom of your screen again, then Add Overlay, then in the Videos tab, instead of photos this time, add the voice for what the character will say. You can use CapCut to trim the audio file to prevent there being any parts of the audio file where there are pauses in the character's dialogue. And there you have it. You should have something like this if you've followed the steps well.
My name is Boomer and I'm the manager at this restaurant.
Congratulations! You've made your first scene of a Wojak story video. Now just keep going, add new backgrounds, introduce more characters, drop in more voice lines. Build it scene by scene, and with practice, you'll be making full Wojak stories in no time. One last thing before you go. If you want more tutorials like this, deeper lessons, advanced editing tips, full story builds, you just have to subscribe. This channel only continues if it grows. I run multiple channels, and I can't keep making videos on this channel unless there's real support here. So if you've made it this far and want more, subscribe now to keep the tutorials coming. And remember, if we hit 4,000 subscribers by May 25th, I'll host a 30-minute group chat on Discord with 5 commenters to help you personally with your Wojak videos or even if you just have some questions to ask. Have a good day and good luck with your Wojak animations.